Hi, today I'll show you my favorites from the last month, beauty favorites and my favorite movie. So I will start with my favorite, not only for this month but for this year and I think for my future years. It's a perfume from Oneself, and I use a lot of this organic perfume oil called Hawaiian Flower Lei. I say a lot because you need a few little bit for you every time, but I use every day, so this is. I will make another video review with more information about this brand and about this perfume, but yay, this is in my favorite of the month. Next product is the face cream moisturizer from Jurlique. I like it a lot. It works on my face like cream and like primer. So whatever I use after this cream, I feel very nice. The combination of this product and foundation is perfect, and I like it a lot. I don't know how to say it in English, but I love it because of moisturizing, and I like it because of it work like a primer. Next product, I don't expect so much from this foundation from Gresa. They sent me few products. I will make review on this month, but I tried a lot for all March, and I can say it's something totally new for me. And yeah, I will make a review about all the products, but yes, it's definitely not usual foundation you can buy on the store, so that's why I put this product on this video. But generally I'm most mineral foundation person, but this is such a good stuff, and I don't expect it at all from this product, but yeah, I like it. And I like a lot this month these two products. In the previous video for Oneself perfume, I was wearing, if I say it right, this lip stain. It's from ELF. Such a good lip stain, definitely dry your lips. For my normal lips, it stay for 3 hours, and after this your lips definitely want something moisturizing. But because of ingredients of ELF products of this lip stain, I can say the ingredients, it's a lot of parabens and stuff like this, so I don't want to use this lip gloss. I use with Hurraw for moisture my lips, and Hurraw, my favorite one from my favorite companies with lip products, lip balms, and definitely it's fun packaging. I get 2 of these with the green tea and one with SPF 15 for summer. So yes, I will left all the links below. And this is with products, beauty products. And now I will say you about my favorite movie of the month. I don't remember how this movie called, but I will left the trailer in description box, and you will see it's about 2 person and humanity. They lost their taste, they lost their so I don't know how to explain this, but this is a more philosophy movie. So yeah, go to the trailer and see it, and if this movie got you. I will waiting for your comments if you like it or not. So this is it. I will waiting for your comments below to correct my English, because this channel is made only for learning English language, and yay, this is it. So see you next time. Bye bye.